Started with a dream and a camera. Look where we at now. Yes, sir.
Welcome to In the Garage with On One. Yes, sir. Welcome to another episode of In the Garage with On One. Yes, sir. What up, gang? We back with another episode of In the Garage with On One. Yes, sir. Welcome to In the Garage with On One. Yes, sir. So this is what we're gonna be doing. We're in the garage. We're on one. I'm gonna be talking about future mods to the car, past mods to the car. I might even get it on this motherfucking rant and rave. I'm gonna take y'all through the process of me cleaning out my garage, actually making it a studio where I can shoot in here. What else? What else? What else will we be doing, guys? We'll be looking at DuPont registry, motor trend books. Who knows? Different products. You know, who knows, guys? This is something that I'll be producing because I am a content producer, not a content creator. I actually do productions, gang. Pay attention to what's going on in front of you. You dig? But yeah, that's what's going on, gang. So look forward to In the Garage with On One coming soon. Yes, I got my boy here cleaning up with me, man. He got his gear on. We cleaning out the garage, man. Yes, sir. In the garage with On One. Little poo-poo in the cut. I ought to throw the camera on.
Yes, sir.
What'd you say?
Yes, sir.
In the garage with On One, man. We're getting it together. The rain that came down. I got Grandbro in here with me.